Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of mute notifications on AliExpress app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of mute notification on AliExpress app, should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can click on AliExpress and you will enter. Then you can go to first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.